Presenting Asus VivoBook 15 laptop. It is powered by 12th Gen Intel Core i3-1220P processor with 8GB DDR4 and 512GB for large storage capacity. It runs on Windows 11 Home software and integrated Intel Ultra HD graphics. Built with 42 watt-hours, 3-cell Li-ion battery which has an average battery life up to 6 hours. The 15.6-inch Full HD display provides an immersive viewing experience for work and play. It provides a wide view with 16:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate, 220 nits brightness. The anti-glare display comes with 45% NTSC color gamut for vibrant visuals. With an overall weight of just 1.70 kilograms, this laptop is extremely portable that keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. It also features Wi-Fi 5 dual-band, VGA camera, Bluetooth 4.1, audio by ICA power, Cortana support, built-in speaker and microphone. Stay connected with multiple ports, namely USB 2.0 Type-A, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, HDMI 1.4, 3.5mm combo audio jack and DC in ports. This laptop comes with adapter and manual. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.